Water. It makes up about 60% of our bodies and is the silent, unsung hero of our daily existence. Every cell, tissue, and organ depends on it to function correctly. From lubricating our joints to forming saliva, delivering oxygen, and flushing out waste, water is the lifeblood of our internal world. But what happens when we don't get enough? What are the cascading effects of dehydration on the intricate machinery of the human body? Let's start with our circulatory system. Imagine your blood, which is over 90% water, as a river flowing through your body, delivering vital nutrients and oxygen. When you're dehydrated, the volume of water in your blood decreases. This makes the blood thicker and more concentrated. In response, your heart has to pump harder to push this viscous fluid through your veins and arteries, increasing your heart rate and putting a strain on your cardiovascular system. This reduced blood flow means less oxygen and fewer nutrients are reaching your cells, including those in your most critical organ, the brain. Our brain, a powerhouse of activity, is incredibly sensitive to water levels. It's composed of about 75% water. Even mild dehydration can have a noticeable impact. The reduced blood flow we just talked about directly affects the brain's supply of oxygen and glucose, its primary fuel sources. This can lead to that familiar feeling of brain fog, difficulty concentrating, and even short-term memory lapses. Headaches are also a common symptom, often caused by the brain tissue slightly shrinking and pulling away from the skull due to fluid loss. In more severe cases, dehydration can lead to confusion, irritability, and a significant decline in cognitive performance. It is your brain's way of sounding the alarm that its essential resources are running low. The effects don't stop there. Our kidneys, the body's sophisticated filtration system, are put under immense pressure. Their job is to filter waste products from the blood and excrete them through urine. To do this effectively, they need plenty of water. When dehydrated, the body tries to conserve as much fluid as possible. This signals the kidneys to produce more concentrated urine, which is why it becomes darker in color. This concentration of waste products like urea and uric acid can, over time, lead to the formation of painful kidney stones and increase the risk of urinary tract infections. Essentially, you're asking your kidneys to do a very tough job with very little help. Now let's talk about temperature. Our body has a remarkable ability to regulate its internal temperature, and sweating is a key part of that process. When we get hot, we sweat. The evaporation of this sweat from our skin cools us down. But when we're dehydrated, our body's ability to produce sweat is diminished. It's a self-preservation mechanism. The body is trying to hold on to what little water it has left. The downside is that you can no longer cool yourself efficiently, which puts you at a much higher risk for heat-related illnesses like heat exhaustion or, in severe cases, life-threatening heat stroke. For anyone who is physically active, the impact on performance is immediate and significant. Dehydration reduces blood volume, as we've discussed, which means less oxygen is delivered to your working muscles. This leads to a rapid increase in fatigue, reduced endurance, and a loss of power and strength. Muscle cramps become more common as electrolyte imbalances worsen. Even a small drop in hydration, as little as 2% of your body weight, can measurably impair your physical performance. Whether you're an athlete or just enjoying a walk, staying hydrated is crucial for keeping your body moving effectively. Over the long term, chronic dehydration can contribute to a host of health problems. The constant strain on the cardiovascular system, the risk to kidney health, and the potential for digestive issues like constipation all add up. But the good news is that the body is incredibly resilient. The process of rehydration and restoring balance is straightforward. When you drink water, it's absorbed into the bloodstream through the small intestine, a process that begins within minutes. This replenishes your blood volume, allowing your heart to work more efficiently and improving circulation to your brain and other organs. Your kidneys can resume their filtering duties, and your body's temperature regulation system gets back online. Understanding the profound impact of water on our health is the first step toward better habits. It's not about drinking massive quantities at once, but about consistent, mindful hydration throughout the day. Listening to your body's signals, like thirst or the color of your urine, can guide you. By simply ensuring you have enough of this essential resource, you support every system in your body, allowing it to function at its best. Water is more than just a drink. It's the foundation of our vitality. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing for more deep dives into the science of our bodies.